Hello, dear friends. Today I'm going to give another lecture about a new psychological topic which is called evaluating people. As you know, psychological subjects are my main interest, undoubtedly. Evaluation plays an important role in schools, workplaces, and different communities. When it comes to awards, promotions, raises, and evaluation is so essential and necessary. Generally speaking, there are three kinds of comparisons that we can make for evaluating people. First of all, we can compare people with their fellows and their competitors. And this second method is going through juxtaposing people's performance with their own performance in the past, which is so practical. And the third option is going through comparing people with some benchmarks. When it comes to schools, institutes, and some places like that, it's really practical and common that actually people try to conduct some examinations and tests in order to evaluate the students and pupils. And in other words, they're comparing the students with some benchmarks. And it's so practical in such places. But what about the workplaces? People have many tasks, varied assignments, and it is not that practical and sensible and plausible to go through comparing people with some benchmarks. So they have to compare people and employees with others, or maybe comparing them, those people with their own performance in the past. According to some questionnaire, some questions which are asked from employees in different companies, they believed, ordinary employees believe that it's completely fair that employers try to, for example, make a comparison with their let's say, employees' performance in the present time with the time in the past. But if you want to compare people with others, it's not that fair and sensible or wise, because people have many differences according to the experience, according to the background, and some constraint that they are dealing with in their day-to-day lifestyle. So it's better not to do so. And talking more about atmosphere in workplaces, I think it is not that practical, and it could be counterproductive if you, for example, put employees under the microscope. Because when a person is feeling that he's under the microscope all the time, and he's feeling that he's being evaluated continuously, and the result would be negative, I suppose, because he or she loses his or her innovation, confidence, and concentration. And the worst scenario is that he lose actually his enjoyment in his or her workplace, which is so detrimental to his or her performance. And I think this information that I gathered from about evaluating people could be really beneficial for all people, and I hope you enjoyed it and try to put all of them into action in your day-to-day life.